5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Okay, I don't know if you have any screw organizers or not, but I absolutely love these. They're just, I got these on sale around Christmas and 1 year, and I absolutely love them. But here's my Tapicons. Let's see. There's. Okay, what I picked was 3/16 concrete bit, and I guess these are 3/16 Tapicon. I wish there's a little bit longer. These are a little bit thin. I can't remember what size they are. Okay, what I ended up using was a 4-inch 3/16 Tapicon screw and a 5/32 diameter bit to drill in the concrete with as a concrete bit. Worked out really well for my little project here. But I'm not putting one right here because there's already, right here, I've already got it tied down right there. So I should be fine. I think I will put one in the middle because it's so short. I'm gonna put my screws in there. And so all I do with this is my wedge. See, it's on that side. It's all the way through. It's real tight. That's all I do. And it's tight as a tick. So that's it. All right, let me show you what I've done. See, I Tapiconed both my base plates on that end. I got my studs where, I shimmed them up with shims. And the one that I had cut off, just made a new piece, which that's treated, this one's not. And I just put another board all the way to the top. And then on this side, Tapiconed it, and also in the middle I Tapiconed it. So it's got 3 Tapicons in the new board. One on this far right hand to the old one, right hand side to the old one. And this one was good enough. I didn't have to do anything with it. So anyway, that's it. So that's how I fixed my termite damage on that wall. And I hope it helped somebody out there, because I remember the first time I had to fix a wall that had a lot of termite damage. It was a really big wall that was it supported. It was a main support wall. So basically, I had to build a wall right beside of it just for support, and really intimidating. So, but it worked out great. And so, I mean, of course, this was a pretty easy job. But anyway, it's not rocket science. You can do it, and if I can do it, you can do it. And but you just gotta think about what you're doing and try to plan it out. And remember, if you can, that that sticky stuff that I put on the bottom of that 2x4, you can get it at any hardware store usually, or any big hardware store. And that stuff keeps the moisture from coming from the concrete to the wood. I would recommend that, and really good stuff. And then Also, make sure you Tapicon your base plate back down, and then you know, like I say, you never know what you get into when you get termite damage. It could be you know, really huge, or like I say, I got lucky on this one, wasn't much damage, so it was easy to fix. But anyway, that's it. Hope this helps you. God bless you, and you have a good day. And well, anyway, that's it, guys. Like I say, it all worked out great, and I hope your little project works out good too. And I'm gonna head on, and God bless you, and River Jumper out. See you.